Right now, when at least I can get the chance to walk in the evening, because I can't walk during the day, I'll get sunburned or something. I actually love evening walks and make sure wherever it is I'm walking is calm, silent, there's not too much noise, and there's just that. Maybe you hear the birds or just see green plants or something. Nature calms me a lot. I'm Sherleen Tunai Lumumba. I do crocheting and beading, mostly combine both of them. The name of my crafts is Magenta Dynasty Crafts. I love involving a lot of designs. Not only, I don't have one specific design, but as long as it's crocheting and it involves beading, I get to involve a lot of things in it. I loved a lot of beaded stuff. So it actually started with beading because I love jewelry. People are interested in diamond and maybe silver and gold. Why not make beading something beautiful? You know, I can make a prototype of something that has been made from diamond, not practically making it look diamond, but making the same design, but it's originally from bead. You know, that's still an original design. I bead from different ranges. I make anklets, rings, earrings, and necklaces. I even make the belly necklaces, what ladies love doing mostly. And I love combining them in whatever it is I do. This crafting, when I'm doing it, I'm relaxing. So it's something that just comes naturally out of me. Ladies really appreciate crochet stuff more, but I've also realized men are also appreciating it. But mostly I am doing it for the ladies. The only thing that you can enjoy doing is something that you feel calm, relaxed, and while doing it, like you are happy doing it. I am happy doing this, you know, like it brings out the best of me. It brings out my creativity. It calms me down. It makes me happy. Like if I am asked to sit in a room and crochet the whole day and night, bead the whole day and night, I am good. As long as I'm given whatever it is I need, I am good. I'm happy. That's my happy place. For someone to buy into the idea, this is a good thing, I have to make sure that it is a good thing. If it pleases me, and if I don't do it with the utmost love that I give it, if I don't concentrate in it, because that's what I learned. If I just do something because I want to finish it, at the end, no one will get to be attracted to it. People get annoyed when they're being called albino or albino. For me, that's not the case. If I can be able to show the world that people who are like me are not disabled and they can do anything, they can grow, they can actually do whatever it is they want as any other person, well, that is my happiness. If I can get a fashion show, 80 or 90% is albino models, and then I get any other person with any other skin color or condition on the runway. Do you know how beautiful that will look? So that is my ultimate goal, and make sure it's worldwide. So be the first person to run a Nobel fashion show like that.